guys, welcome back. This is Kurt Trader. So let's just analyze V51s, okay, like this, okay. So first of all, what's on 15-minute time frame? It is just consolidating here. It's the breakout, retest, SL hunt, and up again, retest, up, okay. So what we are seeing on the higher time frame, that still we haven't got any retest here. Okay, there is no retest, so it might come back to retest. Okay, let's just show you freaking live trade. Yes, it will be our TP. See how you can analyze the markets. Our SL 1:2. Let's see what will happen. This is just a demo trade, okay, on live account. Oh, I will be back when I will make profit or stop loss, okay? Just let's hit our target. Let's hit, let's hit, let's hit, let's hit, let's hit. This is simple how you can analyze the markets, okay? Simple guys, simple guys. After $4, I will be out because this is a demo trade. Okay, I will take this $3. Okay, this is how simple trading is. It take time.